Subject name Basic Electrical Engineering. Subject code 3320901. Unit name Transformer. Topic name Construction of Transformer. Myself Sachin Patel, lecturer in Electrical Engineering, VPMP Polytechnic. Objective of today's lecture: to know about co-type transformer, to know about cell-type transformer. Construction of transformer. There are two types of transformer on the base of construction. Construction base ઉપર બે ટાઈપ્સના ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર છે. ફર્સ્ટ કો ટાઈપ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર, સેકન્ડ સેલ ટાઈપ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર. કો ટાઈપ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર. In the co-type transformer, the winding are placed surround a considerable parts of laminated core. Core ની આજુબાજુ winding હોય એને co-type transformer કહેવામાં આવે છે. Cell type transformer. In these types of transformer, the laminated core placed surround a considerable parts of winding. એટલે કોર એ વાઇન્ડિંગ ને લેમિનેટ સરાઉન્ડ કરેલો હોય છે, બરાબર? એને કહેવાય સેલ ટાઈપ ટ્રાન્સફોર્મર. Now we are discussing co-type transformer. There are two main parts of any transformer. First, core, and second, winding. This is laminated core, and in diagram single lamination is showing. This is the magnetic circuit. એમાં એક પાથ છે. Types of material: silicon steel to reduce the hysteresis loss. Types of core: square and laminated to reduce the eddy current losses. Number of limb: 2. The parts of core on which the winding is wound is known as a limb. We are seeing in this circuit. This portion is called as a limb, and number of limb is 2 for co-type transformer. Number of yoke also 2. The parts of core used to join two limb is known as a yoke. So horizontal portion we are saying the number of yoke is 2. It is connected with limb. Now interleaving, two L-shaped core are interleaving to reduce reluctance of magnetic path. Winding, we are saying this is a core and this is a winding. Number of winding, 2 winding is there, primary and secondary. Left hand side we are saying primary winding we are taking as a supply, and here left side secondary winding. Primary winding we are denoted by N1 and secondary winding we are denoted by N2, and secondary winding is connected with load. So number of winding is 2, primary and secondary. Types of winding: circular cylindrical coil are used due to high mechanical strength. In actual construction, the primary winding LV or HV low voltage and high voltage, and secondary winding LV or HV are divided into two parts. We are seeing in this figure. As LV winding is easiest to insulate, it is placed nearer to core. કોરની નજીક રાખવામાં આવે છે. While HV winding wound on the LV winding. So insulation problem will be reduced. That's the advantages of making these types of winding. And this is view of that LV winding, HV winding. We are better understanding by the help of core type transformer. Now core type transformer, the core used in the transformer is laminated and made from silicon steel. Silicon steel માંથી બનાવવામાં આવે છે and it's of 0.35 mm thick. એની જે thickness હશે lamination ની એ 0.35 હશે. The parts of core on which winding is wound is known as a limb. The parts which is used to connect the link is known as a yoke. The laminated core is interleaved L-shaped, so leakage reactance will be reduced. Primary winding LV or HV and secondary winding LV or HV is divided into two parts. LV winding is wound nearer to core, while HV, that means high voltage winding, wound on the LV winding. So insulation problem will be reduced. Now we are discussing regarding cell type transformer. Also, there are two main parts of transformer. Similar way of core type transformer. First core and second winding. Now we are discussing a core of cell type transformer. Here we are seeing E section, I section and laminated core in this figure. Here E type section and I type section of core cell type transformer. Number of magnetic circuit is double. Here left side and right side we are seeing that. Types of material, silicon steel we are used to making a core to reduce the hysteresis loss. Types of core, rectangular and laminated to reduce the eddy current losses. Number of limb, here 3 is there. Yes, we are seeing in this figure. The parts of core on which the winding is wound is known as a limb. Only on center limb the winding is wound. Here center limb જે છે એની ઉપર winding હશે LV અને HV. Number of yoke, here 2. The parts of core used to join two limb is known as a yoke. So here 2 yoke is there and 3 limb is there. We are saying in figure. Now interleaving, EI shaped core are interleaving to reduce reluctance of magnetic path. This is the core laminated cardboard from here we are saying insulation or insulating paper we are used for making lamination. This is I laminations. E and I will making a core. This is paper insulation, laminated core and lids will be there for supply and load. We are applying 2 terminal as a supply and we are taking 2 point as a load. This is a primary winding and secondary winding is there. Now we are discussing cell type transformer winding. Yes, here we are seeing 2 magnetic path is there. And in limb, middle limb we are wounding the winding So we can identify primary winding and secondary winding. Number of winding is two winding, primary and secondary winding, and which is connecting in middle limb. Types of winding, this is a multi-layer disc type. Winding जैसे multi-layer disc type है sir. Both winding are placed on the center limb. Yes. એ બંને વચ્ચે લગાવેલું હશે. This is LV winding and HV winding, and this is a core. That's a pictorial view of cell type transformer. Cell type transformer, the core used in the transformer is laminated and made from silicon steel. Also here the core is 0.35 mm thick laminations we are used for making a cell type transformer. The parts of core on which winding is wound is known as a limb. The parts which is used to connect the link is known as a yoke. In the cell type transformer, HV and LV winding is wound on the center limb. High voltage and low voltage winding is wound on the center limb. In this transformer, E and I type laminated core is used, interleaving to reduce the leakage reactance. Thank you very much, all of you.